Well, hello, sweet friends. Happy Valentine's Day to you. I just thought of putting out this quick and easy DIY for you. You don't want to miss this. All I did was just grab a piece of scrap wood, cut it in 3 pieces, different length, and then just painted them with those colors that I showed you. And here I am just decorating. No, I just thought that these are so cute. I don't do a lot of decorating for Valentine's, and as such I don't do a lot of crafts, because what am I going to do with them if I don't decorate for Valentine's and I make a lot of these Valentine's craft? Then I have to decorate and I don't do that. So rather than just use my what I have to do Valentine's DIY projects, I just don't. But I just thought that this one was so easy, and some of you might find it very intriguing to do. Just grab a piece of scrap wood, any piece of wood might do, or if you have anything else that you want to recreate or refurbish, this would be perfect for that. I love the combination of the 3 colors, and then the fact that I added a piece of mesh to it just gave it that shabby chic look. And because I didn't want the mesh to just die in the background, I just took a piece of makeup sponge and some antique wax and just colored that a little bit. And here I am making a little finger bow. I made 3 of them and then just glued them on. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome, my friend. So happy that you could drop in on Valentine's Day. Make sure, if you love the content, make sure to hit that like button down below. Hype the video if you ever see that hype button. Subscribe if you enjoy content like this. And leave me a comment down below and let me know what you're doing for Valentine's, if you celebrate Valentine's Day. This is going to only be this one. I didn't want to do any more than just this one, and I just thought that this was so cute. And there you have it, my friend. Super cute. Now for the best love story there is. John 3:16. For God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish but have eternal life. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Now here it is, my friends. I love these 3 pieces of scrap wood Valentine DIY that I just put together at the last minute. Let me know what you think about these. And there you have it, my friends. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more creative projects like these. Need more inspiration? Click right here for other fun DIYs. Happy crafting, stay safe, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!